and welcome back. Dictionaries in Python. We already discussed earlier some concept about the list, about sequence in Python. Lists are the more generous way of sequence in Python. Now we are moving to some advanced feature of mapping in Python. Dictionaries are similar to hash table and other languages. So what are the mappings? Mappings are a collection of objects that are stored by key, unlike a sequence that stored objects by their relative position. This is an important distinction since the mapping won't retain order since they have objects defined by a key. In simple words, are elements stored in key value pair using the parentheses. Here we are going to learn the followings: creating, constructing dictionaries, how to access the objects from dictionaries, nested dictionaries, and dictionary methods. A simple example of the dictionary: my dictionary is equal to key and value pair, something like that. So here we go, and here we are just creating, constructing dictionaries. So here we go. First dictionary. My dictionary is equal to, and here key 1, value 1. And this is just only the dictionary with the one key. And comma separated, we can create the key 2, value 2, and here the key 3 and value 3. So we can just call the my dictionary by this way, and so on all here like this way we can see the dictionary. If we want to access some specific, call the value, fetch the value by key. So here my dictionary, and just we need to key 1. You see here the value 1, and if we want to fetch the value of 3, key 3, then it will be the value 3 here. So important note that dictionaries are very flexible in data types. So types. So let's see here. Just I am going to create here like key 1, value 1, key 2. I'm just assigning an array to this, and here the 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. So now let's call the items from the dictionary. So here my dictionary, and here I pass this key 2. So run it and see here, these are the items list, array list comes over here. And also we can call the methods in dictionary as well, like method for dictionary, like here we go, key 1 dot upper, and if we see here the upper, then we can just call it like this way. So value 1, it convert to the uppercase value. So also you can just the subtract the value or the add the value and plus equal, all these things you can perform the arithmetic operations on dictionary, like just I would like to now it returned the value it. So actually this was the just typecasting error here. So how we can create a new dictionary? Just only the simply my dict. This is the new dictionary, and here my underscore dict, and you can run. This is the empty dictionary. So nesting elements, nested dictionaries. Let's create this and shift enter here. And just a simple example is my underscore dict is equal to, like here, you can say key 1, and as a value, again, nested key 1, value 1, 2, 3, and here the key 2, value is 5, 6, 7. So here is run my underscore dict and run it, so it look like this way. And now you can call the sub keys as well, like my underscore dict, and here we go, and key 1, and here the nested key 2. So let's see what this is 567. So here we go, and we got the value, and there are the few methods for like dictionary methods. And here one method is the keys, and method return all keys, method to return all keys, like my text, and dot keys. By this method we can return all the keys. Key 1 is that, other are the nested one, and also values you can get by my underscore dict dot values. Here we go, run, so it take all the values in the key, and also these are the methods, and by this way you can get the keys and values from them, and how this works, and also you can return all items or elements in it. So here my dict dot items in it, so how it returns, this is the last method, key 1, and these items are returned by this. I hope you guys enjoy this dictionary lecture and this practice as well. Thank you. I'll be back with next lecture.